G'day guys, I've got another awesome campboss product that I want to show you today, and it's called the coffee mug. Now this thing, it's definitely coffee time when you got one of these. Now they're a double-walled, vacuum insulated coffee cup, all right, which can handle not only the hot, but it can also keep things cold. Now it's got food grade stainless steel and a silicone sealed clear lid with a drinking spout. Now it's dishwasher safe, and it has this awesome, and if you have a look at it, removable handle, so that when you need to put it into the car cup holder, or you just want to have a handle that you can put on it to drink. Now it's awesome for hot stuff, and I'll show you. Check this out. You can make up a hot cup of tea or a cup of coffee. Like that. So it's designed to keep everything at a real warm temperature, so it doesn't go off. Nothing worse than a cold cup of coffee on a cold morning. There we go. Put the seal on top. Now it's designed to be leak proof, as you can see, like that. All right, so you don't want to spill the hot cuppa on you. Now, if you're thinking, you know what, I don't want a hot cup of coffee, I want something cold. So what I've got here is, I've chucked in a bit of ice into it now, and it becomes a cold drink container. All right, so it's just a matter of cracking your coldie. Got a bit of ice in there, crack her in, like that. Now that will keep that icy cold. You won't get any condensation on the outside where you lose all the coldness when it comes to your ice cubes. That'll be just right for hours. Oh, nothing worse than your ice cubes just melting when you're up north and all you want is something cold. So there's no doubt about it, the good old coffee time. Now it's coffee time when you're talking to Simon, but sometimes you might want something that's pretty cold, and it does the same thing with that double insulated vacuum sealed wall. It'll keep everything cold or hot for hours.